In this video, we will learn how to create an interactive virtual library. My name is Carmen Truax. I am the media specialist and school librarian at Northeast High School. First, we will open our school website. If you go down to the center of the page, you will find your online library catalog. When you open your online library catalog, try to find one or two books, maybe more, that you want to select because you want to promote them in your virtual library. I select one book. The name of the book is Ace of Spades, and I will write down the call number so I don't forget, and I will need that information for my project. In another tab, I will open the page called teachingbooks.net. If you haven't signed up yet, sign up using your school email as an educator. It's a free website that has many resources related to our books. Here is, I browse the name or the title of my book, Ace of Spades, and I can see that they have videos, they have audio, and they have other resources that I can use when I create my project for my virtual library. I can find other books if I'm working with more than one book if I need it. If you don't find enough resources here, of course you can go to YouTube or you can Google and get the URLs or the links for those resources. Now we will create our project, our interactive virtual library. To do that, we have to go to a website called Genially, and you will log in or sign up first as an educator with your school email. It's a free website, but if you want more features, of course they have a premium package, but you have to pay for it. Let's use the free one. Once that you log in, you will see your dashboard. In my dashboard, I have here one that says choice board. This is a template that I found here. And then I create one that is my Viking library. But this project was from a blank template. And that's the one that we will do together. So if you just click here, inspiration, you will find many templates or many other projects that they allow you to reuse, so you can edit and change the information, but only if they have this blue box. If they don't, means you cannot use it for your own interest. So in my dashboard, I will click this Create Genially. They will give me templates, and I will go to the blank creation. I will use the one for presentation. I will say use this template, and then they give you pre-screens of some pages that you can use it. For now, I will use this one that is a blank screen only, but you can add more pages after. I want to use this white canvas to create my virtual library, but of course you can use one page for one book, another page for another book, and so on. I just want only one page, and I will put the cover of the books that I have selected in this white canvas. Now I have my white canvas here. I can add a background color here. If I don't like this background that they have here, I can open here the palette and find a colors that I like. For example, I like this brown, and I want to put as background this one that is light brown. I can add the text, okay, and I have different choices for the fonts or the styles of the text that I want to add it. I will go very simple, virtual library. I don't know why it has been virtual library. Okay, and then I can change it here like this, and then I can put it here. Of course, you can change the color of the font if you don't like this font, or just change the color. Okay, and that's it. Okay. You can add other subtitles with instructions for your students or other information. You can go here to image, and I need to bring the cover of the book that I selected. If I have here in my computer, I can bring it from the computer, and I do have it here in my desktop computer. So I just drag here. Here. And I can resize it. If you don't have it here, it's no problem. You just go to the teachingbooks.net. Okay, take your snipping tool, click new, snip it here, go back to your screen, and then Control V, or just right click and paste. It will go the same, and then you just got it here. Okay, so you have two options: or you save it in your computer, or you just snip that. I don't need to, so I will delete this one. Okay, done. Okay, I have here this, and I want to make it interactive. So I click this interactivity icon that is here, and I will say full screen. So when somebody click the cover, it will go full screen. Let's check. So if somebody come here, see my virtual library, it will see the cover big like this. Okay, I go back to edit. I need to add more information to my cover page. So I go to interactive elements, okay, and I bring some elements that I want. For example, I can bring buttons that are here. Okay, some are in colors, so I can find a color that I like. Okay, maybe I can bring this home button. I will put it here. You can put it anywhere here. Okay, maybe I need audio. Let's see audio. Okay, I can type it also. Okay, so I can bring this one here. Okay, I want video. Okay, I can bring this video here, and also you can resize the icon. Okay, here if you want, you can bring other icons that you think that you would like to have it. Okay, so you can use these buttons with text, for example. Okay, maybe I bring this one here too. Okay, here it is, and you just put it around here. Okay. So I already make interactive my cover of the page, okay, but I can change it if I want it. Instead to do full screen, it can go to the YouTube video or something that I want. It doesn't matter. Now I have this here. This is my home page, so I need to figure out what I want to do. If I go to Teaching Books and set Meet the Author Recording, this is an audio expert. Video book trailer, name pronunciation. So let's say that I want to do the name pronunciation for students. They can hear it, how they can be pronounced. So I only need a link. Control C. I go back to the editor. Okay, I go here. I make a link, and I Control V, and I save it. So whenever they click here, they will hear how to pronounce it. Now I wanted to give this also an interactive something. So I go back to my site, teachingbooks.net. So for example, okay, this is audio only. Okay, so audio here. I click the link here. Okay. Go back to my editor. Go to the interactive button. I can say link. Okay, and I click it here. Control V. And save it. Okay. This is a video. So I go back here and I need to find a video. Oh, what about the book trailer? That sounds interesting. Okay, so I can go here. Of course, if you have it already in YouTube, okay, you can click the link for YouTube, or you just do it this, Control C. Okay, I go back here. Okay, interactive, link, okay, Control V, and they can see the video. For this one, I need the call number. Remember that we had a call number before? So I just click here, and the tooltip, I will call this call number. I can say call number here also. Fiction. Now I can type here. Okay, since my library is by genre, so I will put horror. Okay, this is fiction, the 3 initials of the author and the year that it was purchased, the book, and I click save. And that's it. Isn't it good? Oh, I don't want to forget to add the instruction for my students, because I like that they read it here. So I can say, click the cover and the icons. For more information. Okay, good. I also want to add another image here. An image related to people. Okay, so I go to image. I will add this page. Oh, sorry, this picture or image here. Okay, and I will have it here, any place in my page. I will make interactive, but I want to add audio. Okay, so I will record here. I will record my voice. So when the students click the image, okay, or if I want an icon, so they know that it's audio there. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I will click here. Okay. I can preview the audio that I just record. I can delete it, or I can record again if I need it. And I will highlight it first, and then I will click save. So if somebody click here, they will hear the audio. I can add, okay, an icon about audio. Okay, so let's see here, show more. About audio, or just could be this one also. Okay. Okay, so here. Okay, here I can also relate it to the audio that I already recorded. Save. So, or they click the picture, or they click the icon, and I can hear it. So, okay, let's preview. So they can go here, they can see this, they can go here, and they can clear the audio. Hello, Vikings! Welcome to this virtual library. You will find here the new books that are coming to the library. And you will have information about the author, about the story of the book, and more. Come back to see the new books that are arriving soon. Okay, have fun. Okay, so that's good. That's good. Let's go come back to edit. I realize that I use this icon for something different here. Remember, it was the call number, and here I will replace it, and I will use a different icon, this one. So I can do it. So the students know that they can click here and listen the audio, or they can click here and they will listen the audio too. It's just a formality to switch the icon. Add more covers here. Okay, if you want, you can have more. You can resize this, move your image if you are using this image and audio with your voice. You can add that background audio to your page. And just explore all these resources or features that we have here. Okay, and you can use it in your interactive virtual library. Okay, if I go back to my dashboard, I will see that I create this project, but it doesn't have a title, so I need to provide a title or it won't be finished. So let's give a title. To give a title to my project, I just type it here. I don't know, virtual library. Okay, 2022. Okay, and that will be and then I have to click here, all set. Here. I can describe it with 300 words. If I need it, I can make it reusable or not. It's up to you. Okay, and then you click all set. Only public projects here, because we are using a free account. You have paid for the premium package, so you can make it private. So you click all set. Okay, you can share. Okay, and I want to share or get the link so I can add it to my Google site for my library. So I click insert, script, and I copy. If I go to my Google sites, I have here the Google site that I created for my library. I go here to the page that I wanted to add this virtual library. I already added one here. Can you see the virtual library with the icons, my voice here, and I put 4 books. Maybe I wanted to add it after this. So you just click embed. Okay, embed code, Control B, because you already created the script and copy the script. You click next. It will give you the preview, and then you click insert. Okay, you just resize it. As big as you want. Okay, maybe you a little less. Okay, and then you just publish. Okay, remember we have to publish twice when we edit our Google site. Publish again. Okay, and then it will be added to your Google site in the page. In this page is for the students, so they can see both virtual libraries here. Well, I have other resources in my page. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget, all the Google sites, okay, are in the school website. So mine is here under the tab Student Life. Here is the library. This is not the online library catalog. This is the library Google site or web page for my library with my information and the pages I wanted to provide it for teachers, students, or librarians here. Okay, so have fun, create your virtual library, add it to your Google site. If you don't have a Google site because you are new or you change libraries, there is a video for that in the digital library. Okay, so have fun. Bye.